Okay, let us examine this question about the condensation. So I will explain using the 3 steps. Identify the heat source, cooling agent, and condensation. So condensation, there's a spelling mistake. There's an N missing here. So N in the N. So this one you mentioned about the warmer water vapor from the hot soup comes into contact with the cooler surrounding air, lost heat, and condense to form tiny water droplets, which appear as a white smoke. Okay, so you get a 2 marks. Okay, next question. Okay, this is a boy. It's actually one of my students, pronounced as Yuwin. Yuwin put a porcelain cup filled with water to its brim into the freezer overnight. The next morning, he observed the following. So this is the result. Okay, you can try this experiment yourself, but ask your parents for permission. Maybe you find a cup that is not so expensive to do it. Okay, so state the change in the state of water. So this one you must mention from what state to what state. So this one is from liquid to solid. Okay, so the water freezes from liquid to solid. Okay, explain how the cup was broken. Okay, firstly, refer to the earlier concept here, which I mentioned. You can see here, matter expands when heated. Okay, however, water behaves in a different manner because the volume of water increases when it freezes into ice. Okay, this is actually one phenomenon that is very unique for water. And because of this phenomenon, in those countries with very low temperature, only the top layer of the lake gets frozen, not the whole lake. This will ensure the fishes and other living organisms can survive under the frozen lake, because below the frozen ice, right, maybe like 1 meter thick, another maybe 200 meters deep in the lake, the fish and other living organisms can survive. So for this question, you just mentioned that when water freezes into ice, its volume increases. Okay, get this from here. When water freezes into ice, its volume increases. However, the porcelain cup, when it freezes, right, it contracts. Okay, the porcelain cup, when it freezes, it contracts. Therefore, the opposing forces. Okay, you see the blue arrow which I put here is the contracting forces from the porcelain cup. It is pushing inward. The orange arrow is the expanding force from the ice. So you notice here, P6 pupil need to explain in terms of forces in action. So you say the opposing force from the contracting cup and the expanding ice causes the cup to crack. Okay, so this is one applicational questions, and I hope you can answer this well in your coming examination. All the best. Thank you.